Can CAB East LLC? Yes, CAB East LLC is a real company. It is a subsidiary of Ford Motor Credit Company. CAB East LLC is commonly used by Ford to hold lease agreements for vehicles. When someone leases a Ford car or truck, the lease contract is often made under the name CAB East LLC, rather than directly with Ford Motor Credit. This setup is a way for Ford to manage lease obligations and protect itself legally. For customers, it means that payments and lease terms are handled through CAB East LLC, but it's still backed by Ford Credit. If you see CAB East LLC listed on your vehicle lease documents, billing statements, or credit report, it's because your Ford lease is managed under that entity. Zen Business can help you form your own LLC if you're starting a business and want similar liability protection that large companies like Ford use. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.